In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country in your Google AdSense account. This process is straightforward and should take only a few minutes of your time. So let's dive in and get started. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Google AdSense official website. This is where the journey begins. So open up your browser and head over to the Google AdSense homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. Simply click on the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and you'll be logged into your Google AdSense account. After signing in, look for the option to go to your AdSense home. This area is like your dashboard where you'll find all the essential details and settings for your account. Next, you'll find yourself at the AdSense home screen. From here, the next step is to go over to the account section. You'll typically find this option in the main menu on the left hand side of your screen. Click on it and you'll be taken into a deeper dive of settings related to your account. Once you are in the account section, you'll need to navigate to settings. This is where all the customization takes place. Inside the settings, look for account information. This area holds all your basic account details, and it's crucial for making changes like the one we're about to make. Under account information, you will find various settings, including the option to adjust your time zone. Now you might wonder why we're looking at the time zone when we're here to change the country. Well, in Google AdSense, the time zone setting is intricately linked with your country setting. When you adjust the time zone, it can often reflect the location that matches your current or desired country setting. It's important to highlight here that not all country changes can be made directly through these settings. Sometimes, depending on the country you'd like to change your account to, you might need to engage with Google AdSense support for verification or additional steps. However, navigating through the time zone settings is usually a great first step for many users. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on changing your country setting in Google AdSense. Remember, each step builds upon the last, so follow them in sequence to ensure everything goes smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Google AdSense support for additional help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your AdSense account a lot easier.